Welcome to Elevate Yachting, where over 25 years of expertise in the yachting industry meets commitment to unparalleled personalized service. Founded by our professional captains, our company offers a unique perspective, seamlessly transitioning the exceptional standards expected at sea to shore-based experience. Specializing in comprehensive yacht management, brokerage, and luxury charters, we are dedicated to being your trusted partners, ensuring every detail is meticulously handled. Whether navigating the open waters or managing the logistics on land, Elevate Yachting brings precision, trust, passion to every aspect of your yachting experience. With years of expertise, our brokerage team understands what clients are looking for and guides you through every step of the buying process, ensuring a seamless experience. Through our extensive international network, we connect buyers to the perfect yacht. When it is time to sell, we use the same network and leverage professional media marketing, including video walkthroughs to showcase your yacht in the best light on a global market. Our yacht service packages ensures your vessel is always in prime condition. From routine maintenance to full service care, we handle every detail so that you can enjoy the freedom of a stress-free boat ownership. With Elevate Yachting, you're assured of exceptional care and peace of mind. Creating lasting memories on the water without the commitment of ownership. Our yacht charters deliver extraordinary experiences across top Mediterranean destinations, offering luxurious freedom and relaxation. With a professional and qualified crew on board, every detail is taken care of, so you can unwind and explore the beauty of the Mediterranean in style.